Another round of dangerous wind has Southern California on alert.
That's right. KCAL's Gio Insignares is live in Fontana with a look at what people are doing to stay ready. Gio.
Well, Pat, Juan, good evening to you both. Certainly has been windy. You can't ignore that all day here in Fontana. Now, relatively speaking, it's not as bad right now with those gusts as it was just a few hours ago. I'll give you a step out of the way to give you just a sense of what the winds are like. Obviously, just a little perspective there as we zoom in on the trees and you see that waving back and forth. Now, for people living nearby, they are not taking chances with these winds and the higher fire risks, preparing for the worst, but certainly hoping for the best. On high alert for high winds and fire danger.
They're terrible. My backyard's a mess. I just cleaned it up, and now I have to go back and redo everything.
Strong wind gusts, some damaged and toppled street signs, even street lights not functioning properly. These are some of the sights peppering the area and leading to people bracing for the possibility of a worst-case scenario.
We're as prepared as we can be. The biggest fear, of course, is fire, and we've had fires just over here by the 60, over in the dry riverbed. We're vulnerable like everybody else.
For Liz Wilkes, that vulnerability extends to power outages. She's already lost a lot of food despite having a generator because of outages that go back weeks because of the high winds. She says at times the power will flip on, then back off again. An inconsistency that's incredibly stressful.
So far have been fortunate to keep the frozen foods, but we did throw out things like milk, cottage cheese, things that were over a week old.
Meanwhile, SoCal Edison is once again warning of public safety power shutoffs in areas facing these high-risk conditions, starting today and going through at least early Wednesday morning. More than 250,000 customers are under consideration for power shutoffs across Kern, LA, Orange, Riverside, Ventura, and San Bernardino counties. Among those also affected is Karen Van Westrian. Like her friends and neighbors, she's been dealing with on and off again power outages for weeks, and that's left them dependent on their generators. Generators they can't leave running if they ever have to leave their homes.
And solar lights, lanterns, batteries. I've bought so many batteries, it's ridiculous. I've lived here 16 years, and I've never seen the power go out so often. It's really stressful because I don't want to lose all my food because I can't afford to lose it.
And while some frustration continues toward the power company over communication, SoCal Edison says if customers are shut off, it will attempt to restore electricity as soon as possible after the risky weather clears and after all power lines are inspected for damage. Adding it typically takes up to 8 hours, but could take longer in harder to inspect areas. And giving you another look at these winds right now, certainly not as gusty as it was just a few hours ago, but there is also a possibility, according to SoCal Edison, for power shutoff conditions to extend later in the week beyond this Wednesday morning. As for those we talked to, they tell us this evening that they're stocked up, they're ready to go, they're ready to ride out these winds, and hopefully have their power flipped on for good soon. Reporting in Fontana this evening, I'm Gio Insignares, KCAL News.
They are prepared. It's, as one gentleman said, yeah, we learned the hard way. But, okay, at least we got